You're strong.
Oh, it's a little bass. Let's go. Little bass on the fly. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a good one on the fly. I got him again. There we go, son. Look at that, choked the drop shot. The drop shot. That's the Z-Man 3.5 Shiner. Absolutely destroyed it. I mean, that's a nice chunky bass. Have to get that hook out with pliers. I think I got pliers over here. Yeah, that hook was buried. Very good. Excellent. Well, there we go. That's my first time drop shotting. Super impressed. Took about 5 minutes. Had a horsefly on me. But yeah, awesome. Oh, buddy. That's no baby. Dude, he threw it. Yes. Good one. Got ourselves a big frog here. It's a giant, dude. Jared, show your hand. Yeah, Jared's 6'5", so his hands are big. Here's my hand. Oh, can't really do that well.
Yeah. It's a good meal right there.
I mean, that's the frog lure, and that's the frog. Like, he's like, see, this is my hand. Like, that's a giant.
Just your finger too. Hey, easy.
That's a good one, dude. on that mini frog right here. Mini frog. Landed a nice little chungus. It's a good one. Here we go, Mike. Oh. Nice. Here we go. Nice little chunk. There we go. Hooked up. Ooh, it's a good one. There we go. Nice, beautiful, feisty little guy. There we go, on the board.